My name is Fu Zifeng, matrix number 211361410, and now I'm going to talk about project network diagram. Okay, first of all is the sequence of activity for the transmission line project, which means our project. Okay, so actually what is the important for the activity sequencing? So in project management, activity sequencing is the process of identifying and scheduling the individual activities that make up a project. So by sequencing the activities logically, it may help us to ensure that all the necessary steps happen correctly and help us to optimize our resource efficiently. Okay, so by the data given, we have given our activity expected time and our interrelationship. So I have construct my table. This is my table. Okay, so by referring the interrelationship given, I have I have insert our presiding, we as known as the presiding activities. So with the activity and presiding activities, this is much more easier for us to make our network diagram. Okay, so by the expected time given, I managed to calculate our most optimistic time TO and most likely time TM and the most pessimistic time TP. So network diagram. So a network diagram actually allows a project manager to track each element of a project and quickly share its status with others. So in other hand, the other benefit is the visual representation of progress for stakeholders. So which means they can see our progress when they ask for, and we can establishing our project workflow. Activity and critical path. Okay, so by using the critical path method is very important when we manage our project because it identifies all the tasks needed to be complete and it determines the tasks that must be done on time and those can be delayed if needed and how much float or slack we have. Okay, so how can we get the activity path? Actually, the activity path we just refer back to our network diagram, such as, for example, A, C, E, G, H, I, and P. Okay, so from the network diagram, as we can see, there is 9 activity path. Alright, so by calculating the activation time from the each path, like A is 4 and C is 12 weeks, E is 6 weeks, and other on and so on. Alright, so we can find that the first activity path we need 73 weeks to finish the job. Alright, so what is critical path? So critical path is the path with the longest time duration. Okay, so as we can see by looking our data, okay, so the third path A, C, E, G, L, M, and P is it have the longest time duration. Okay, so this is can be known as our critical path. Thank you.